Depending on the mode of obtaining nutrition, organisms are classified as autotrophs and heterotrophs. It means autotrophs are the organisms which have autotrophic mode of nutrition, where heterotrophs have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now, autotrophs can prepare their own food from the simple inorganic substances or sources present in surrounding like CO2, water in presence of sunlight. For example, green plant and some bacteria. And autotrophs can prepare their food by the process which is known as photosynthesis. Now next to it is heterotrophs. They cannot synthesize their own food, and it is they are just totally depend on autotrophs for obtaining complex organic substances which we are calling as food. And examples are animals. Now autotrophs synthesize organic material, means whatever the food they are synthesizing, they are organic, and basically we obtain it as in the form of starch. Okay, and starch is also a form of carbohydrate from inorganic material like CO2, water, by utilizing the sunlight energy. Okay, where heterotrophic mode of nutrition further classified as holozoic, saprophytic and parasitic. Now what happened in the holozoic mode of nutrition? In this, organism takes food into the body by the process of ingestion, okay, which is then digested and absorbed into their bodies. For example, human and many more animals. So we are intaking food, then we are digesting it, then there is an absorption of the simplest form of nutrients from that food, and afterwards there is a negation of that all the waste produced during digestion. Now next to it is the saprophytic. In this, organism feed on dead and decaying matter. Okay, for example, fungi. Now parasitic obtain nutrient from living organism called as host. For example, lice and tapeworm. So they are obtaining ready-made food from the living organism, and we are calling it as host.